Hey everyone, I hope all of you guys are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I would like to let you know that we are going to create the same architecture diagram, but the hard way instead of using the VPC wizard. I hope all of you guys are able to follow along with me. Let's get started doing that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my VPC console. I'm going to go ahead and log into my log into the AWS account and open up the VPC dashboard. So I'm still in the Singapore region. We have only one VPC over here, which is the default VPC. In the next subsequent videos, we are going to create the network diagram that we saw at the start. But we created that through the launch VPC wizard, which made our life really easy. But I wanted to show you to you the hard way so that you know what all components go into creating a network which has a public and a private subnet. So let's get started doing that. The first step is to go ahead and click on create VPC. So let's click on that and let's give it a name. So the name tag I'm going to give it is my VPC. And I'm going to go ahead with IPv4 CIDR address. AWS recently brought out a configuration called as IP address manager. Let's not take a look at it. And the IP address that I'm going to allocate is 10.0.0.0/16. The VPC itself can have a range all the way from 16 to 28. So you can't create a VPC that is of /8. The biggest network that you can create is only /16. And you can see in terms of IPv6, I'm not going to go with IPv6 right now, but you can go with Amazon provided IPv6, or you can bring your own IPv6 addresses that you own. Okay. And in terms of tenancy, we already spoke about this, whether you would like to launch resources into this network, which has shared hardware, which is multi-tenant, or would you like to create resources that are single tenant in terms of dedicated tenancy? Okay. So the tags are automatically created for me. So let's go ahead and click on create VPC. So right now the VPC is created, and you can see over here, the VPC is utilizing the same DHCP option set, which we will take a look at in a moment. It automatically has created a main route table as well as a network access control list for us. So these are the resources that are automatically created when the VPC is created. And you can see over here that the DNS host name is disabled. So let's go ahead and enable it. So let's click on actions, edit DNS host names. I would like to enable DNS host names to get a public DNS as well as a private DNS for my VPC. So in this video, you guys took a look at how to create a VPC. In the next video, we will take a look at how to create the subnets. So I'll see you in the next lecture.